So this question is asking us whether this relationship between x's and y's is a functional relationship or not. Notice it doesn't matter whether or not the x values are in order numerically or not. It doesn't matter if there's even a rule that we can find to tell you from x to y. This question is more general. A function is, for every input, there's only one output. So as what we want to do is we want to look at our x's first. So 18, 4, 10, negative 12, and 18 again. So what we notice is that 18 is on here and it's repeated twice, right? So and then what happens is that when x is 18, apparently you can get an output of 70. But also, when x is 18 again later, you get an output of 97. So therefore, this is not a function, right? Not a function because at that one x value, you get two different y values, not one. Right? So if this x value happened to be 97, if this y value happened to be 97 in this table, then it would be okay. Or if this y value happened to be 70 in the table, it would be okay. But the fact that this repeated x, you have two different y's, it is not a function. And in fact, this is even bad notation then, because you shouldn't use f of x notation if something is not a function.